Okay, this is how to fix your PS3 from the overheating problem. I'm not sure if you can see that. You can't. I know you can't. This is your solution. Not the Dr. Pepper. This is your solution. It's called Duster. Okay. So, if your PlayStation is overheating, then you should use the duster thing and not the fan, because I went to GameStop and they'll tell you the same thing. I'm not sure if this is what it's actually called, but oh man. Yes, it is for electronics. It blows air into the fan, and the only reason why I'm wearing gloves is because it could get really cold in my hands. So this is where you're gonna want to hold it. Hold on. Okay, this is for the PlayStation 3 Slim. You're gonna want to blow it into these vents. The vents, the PS3 vents, the back ones, and you have a PS3, so you should know. And that my ceiling fan's on. I'm not sure how you can't see it. Oh, it's because my room's red, of course. Okay, so you're gonna wanna blow this. Make sure you wear gloves because it could get really, really cold. Okay, so I blew it in there. Now I'm going to the right side. Gosh, it's sticking on my side. It's really, really cold. Okay, you can't see it, I see it. And I hope you saw my other video that says, please help. Well, I still kind of need help. Kind of. And this other person, gosh, it's cold. How cold. Gosh. This other person said that there's a method for the vacuum cleaner. And I have a vacuum cleaner, and I tried dusting it out, like taking out the stuff, and I don't know. I needed to get it charged. So I blew it in, and remember, it gets really, really cold. And if you leave it on too long, then it's gonna get cold in order to towards where it sticks on you. Like the gloves, whatever type of gloves you're wearing. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna put my PlayStation in hook it up and crap like that. Okay. Okay, so I hooked it up, and there's my controller. Here it is. My controller. Yeah, there's my TV. And I already told you what it says there. Oh, I didn't read it to you. Okay, so if you have a PlayStation, you should add me as a friend. There is I have a lot of friends, not from the YouTube. Oh, cool, I received a message. Let's all read. Oh, it's a game invite. Okay, never mind. Okay, so that's the end of my video. If you liked it, hopefully you liked it. Not sure if you did, not making you, but if you liked it, subscribe. Please, please do.